Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.